Sina, certainly, you know, my idea. Mummy Bombay. Ajaya was wo na wo se sadi pasabra ni pankrabia. Yada was se wo na mo dom so me nya ho to. Ayam kwa ekurai. Ye tibi didi no muta. Ni sorry, sabi ache. Ni wo so wu ade omobrohu. Na wo chae no aso aso bi. Ofo bi anya wi ase ba bi krom. Omo chaba free ha ko ta mani huru krom. Ebi da samando. Ejemo bu huna mani. Rode. Dodo afa fa wo nsam no so so. Apie wa hini bo. Wan kan ya mfra bone fo na kan ya wujegu. Ika samando huna mani. Yes. Enfi bebre ko sise Yesu be ba be mu wi ase atren. Esa no sa na ko hell fire. Rode. Se a wada samando wa se o hell. Onyan ko fire num. And so I hope I look at Kempono. A who said, Rabbi, the sound, the Nipa was at the Nipa Lu of Bonin 99.9. So I want to say, Rabbi, don't wait, dear me. When Bible is a Rabbi, more being more Bonin. So just 1 minute. I'm a little poor Rabbi, sound, but you know what I son. The Nipa was the Nipa. Yenim da oshimbre baba. Yenim da antichrist be yin ti owi ase ha. Nipa ya mobo, na ya ne ehunu sa. Eya bi ani ti, eya ba bi da na ewi afi. Se wa de kai yi. Ba ye nimra ya hoso ate ne ehunu de o se ye. Wo ba wi ase am ya ba bo asem yam. I'm a mountain fear or cavalry, a serious. Yam boo, nipa be a person of the bone, be a bone, be called one cassa. To show you what is up to be a nipa woman. I am born a catiano, the a woman, yet was you. Why when you're born down? One hair on your one hair from shore. I was sad about so as to say, Fancy any name. Your doctor said this, or the war. Who be the literary power? And you are called to be a commercial. The man pay us some. Yes, also be a continent, the dobe we are seeing here. A rabbit. I saw that I see my home. The man will die in the wheel. Would die in keke. So one time, I won't say. I remember who I'm just having. I'm a toy so. And I'm say Adam soup and bonity. Do the become a sea who are not the mind. Would you become a dinner years as I'm a medium? Now, devil boy in the side. Will be about one child in them. This will be a short thing. No, I'm not one child there. And you have before time by we are saying, about one child part of the camp. Or Tomo ya or the Bishani. Somebody not case. The random is so. And make you for about coupon common some gender. The Momoate Sakasimum, you look back, near Mubia. The Radaman intention. The father Sakaraman and Sakra, the son who what? Manu won Petasurium. Manu won Penatrin. But if my woman be more master mention, the movie more was also what? What did something dear? Who no more of us a canacoma, no one running free home woman in a crack. What the matter was said so to me. Oh, yes, you monkey. Amen. But this will tell you. The Bobo John who do. John and Baby Asa. You only should go in Casafa home. Yes, you know Casafa home. Paul knows to do one answer. And Casa, we are Tim. So be a yabon and woman in the way you. No one that can see home. I come will be back. tini panya ni be wura mu enu ho asem na be sa be to aso na enya de foforo sem ba ko pe ne yeka se nyame ba ko pe ho asem ane yeka edi ni asem foforo bi abeka wo aya sakra wa de bokonko ye ni dan jo kranko yesu di e dai boni ya tra se twem o ba ye se bi nyina no na mo ti me dwane atemu e ba wo ye de ye be ba ya se mi disam etiaduo mu titebutu mu no obi a wa hu no sai wo de no asam kwan wo manum o to no twene o da tabie mu sababo yantra ensem bebrebe bi abiem anka ba bu yi ho na se buku kakaraka we nyina no se kotashi we nkompo ne wo mu a ka papa o san ka fa de saka o ti asema kana so o san ka de fa na de saka na kopon e wo ngoma o tire de nkofo di gum ti asema yo be nyin ni sa nyen na enna na wutie nsem we e nsem dada asem akopa no ne yeka ne yekayo the Sunday Moses trained Deuteronomy no and some of them Exodus what can Leviticus any numbers no they are five Genesis they know they are good Deuteronomy or Kayo they will be a very powerful quotation powerful chapter Deuteronomy or Sisu be a Kayo but some job ya ka ho asam sabri ayen sam foforo na wudi upe wo no ha ogere ba ya wo sai onwoma so o so nti wo ya hwehwemu a onyin ni sabo nsam ja ho o ti asama ka na me be ba so no wa penso enwoma nyimni bi ekom no wa daka mu so do ni ko bo ya penso so bi enwoma nimfo bi ana enwoma nimni bi Onya kwa idani janwa eye hu yenim saa nim dia bebrebe ni yenim no nyina chi no yenim sa onye bra boy bone ya ni pa ko bo nsam ji ya ro de ense yenim na en sa level yenim sa o maisika wo ye minister anasa president na wo fa din kwambone so a o ko bo nsam ji headmasters bebre o secondary schools teachers no mo ni bia kasa pa yanka wo san ko mo ni bia ne po mo ti wura yesu mo tenten yeni bebre be nyina no headmaster bi e da so repu student bi yeni nyina o the ban sham bi so ma ko tieri no bi bia la wo hu sa wonna sam kwan mo manum otono tene ojitabi chensama me no kan yi wonu me say eja eni adamfo what the point is fire has no friend opa ye wadi say eja me na so me na ko pair niema e de soldier me am gas stove anase me bena anase me ho ahwan me oven anase de wo fere wuja bi a wo de no wa duane bi a ana wo de hyewa de bi a wo wa na wo soye wa na wo to niema eye ho adwuma bre ho ensa na wo nsa ka eye wa wuja enso ni na so fa wo sa je mu be eni adamfo fire has no friend the group be ara me kasa transfer no a mo preach o YouTube no mo preach o pulpit mo preach o mountain so no so ya sofo nyanya me sama ka na kira sa wasaka ndi otiri nyame sem ka na ya adwuma eye ministry ya repentance who just American nyame sem kan eye adwuma na no mfa di pa ko heaven jeri adwuma na wo ye na da che wadi hu mobo na wu heaven ho akoje hu akatua ti en kasa o kanyam sam to asaka because asofo bebrebe gu YouTube anase nkrofo bi kanyam semwa utia otubu se nyame asem no oka chekini su Bible into the fact is that we preach nyame asem and just about qualify for heaven who ye jabi ho adwuma o there's no temptation be so fire has no friend the found that force wo nyame adwuma na wo cover why you busy here and there we are very strong wo kwa na fa na wo so amanfo nyina bo di wagidi nyedi popularity ye de ko heaven what you say me kana si konko ye nimu obi ntimi hunu Nyankopon simple tinye wa dwuma na kire se wo konko ya bra e wa komam wo di boni wo na nimu kokom ya wo ye Bible no say Revelation chapter 20 verse 15 whosoever obi biara ya wa hunu se odina se nkwanwoma nu otoro twen wo jatabi nu enti wa ye poku asem ye dekel anase me na me right reverend mo fa mu nchai ye right reverend sam na ye poku be ko hem ye dekel na pastor na evangelist be ko hem teriye ya be sakra o sa konko ye nim wa sakra fa yesu so ke hanu aje nkwa ya wunyame ani yesu John chapter 3 verse 36 the odi obani die no odankwa na die onyi nie no oni nkwa na onhunu nkwa na Nyankopon bufu danso what does America to have a call ye imam ene malam sema eye konkro ya brabo ye gina yesu so upu yesu a hellfire street yes me jeje wo sa ne bible naka ti asemu Teriyo upu yesu a ukoji we de ya fe na ye de mfanto hu bi be se upu na ebi a ne wa kojem ne nyame de wo ya hu mobro no adaka ne ba kope Sodom ni Gomorrah o kire Lot num de po ba kope so ba kope asem ti mama kan kira manfo sai obi a woni nyame a wo so how many gods do we have what does American we have only one God. We have only one Son of God. Through him shall we make heaven. Rejecting Jesus is equal to hellfire. A simple way. Equation way is simple. Upu Yeshua. Wo minus Yesu is equal to hellfire. A simple way. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 2. You are somebody can nti ya popularity sir me wo din me wo jinabia na me wo so de nanom nipa adwena koye no obi apesa se wo gidi nti obi asori try to be condemn the yonko no no ya bonitin a din doesn't qualify you to heaven just me obi bia wa hu se wo de ni bia se nkonwoma no otoro twen wo jatabi bi twen kofu bi ko ba to bi pe bi eguje the point and pass out here say ba ko say say jaya ka ho sunu fire has no friend tin ka sa wa don fu ni Nyankopon ana sa wo fa bi ni anu ti ye o pro sa wo ye one ka you see yourself say abraba wo na mu as evangelist as a preacher as a pastor as a deacon as a pastor's wife as a deaconess when say you offer as a imam as malam say your friend who gina be asitie say your here and a continue what ka say when you say kokom super ya go tell the dangerous and born complete think sir me wo din nti edin a me wo nti ma sai jano na ko po tran ko fo bi sa ne momam na wonyina edin akasia so wonyina nkrofo ba ko school akwa tiri so one of ministers president somebody am we automatic people are straight mo ko heaven I've been sakra ne kronko ya na so we will ni free sa ne ye gina Yesu so We when you free Sunday, mammy, you are dead. Who could you? Someone said, catch all. So, Mamma has to buy power, Nipa Tinkukum. What about Tabaka, you preacher, who diaco? Some of the Baba, and the Shell Daco. Ranch of the Sionco. Or Swabra Bonye. To be our own side. What not some common, what tono train? Ojatadinu. The Ejania downfall. The who dealing with God will be very careful. Be very careful. Matthew chapter 7 verse 21 so was Jesus. Was it that be believe because we are the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia centrally and wodi be. Nso because I forget it. Sansem hunu na mokeka no. E petene ni abra boss yan Saudi entu amomone. Say the nadifo bi ye me to be cast out demons into the heaven. It to be Kenyan sem will be sakra into the heaven. Only yesu ntam to say. Mo cornership. One kasa who preacher no. What do you tell me? What's the relationship between you and Christ? There are some of you who didn't say Paul. No, yes, and some of my friend Paul, their friend Saul. No, you're busy for his church. There's no news. Some of you when busy with the bottom, when you're busy here and there, with defending gospel. Say they are not having here no. Would defending the church. Just sorry to them. For the sake of no one. They will tell Gamaliel now say, we'll see him now. What you say? Gamaliel said, we will black up a training history to Kakacho. The cash will be real school of Gamaliel now say, hey, the name title of Kutano, I say, a box of down has his cousin. What I said to one time, or he let you for Katra Paul say, a woman in the Baba who bought Paul would be a woman bush or a learned person. Now, you say, oh, so yummy. Plasanio, Mamudi and Kupo, dear Grom. Your castle, the Yasofo, your Sampacafo, the El Santrane, the Tlamone. Be very careful. Fire has no friend. Baby can be seen Peter Luke chapter 10, verse 17 to 20. Luke 10. Yes, some more on Bokayam Samura. Let you that's a couple. What does someone say? Koya Bokayam Samsa to tell morning. Report of the prayers is a yes. The call would dinty. Lantonia man of a good free dinty. Yes, would dinty. Our morning po Abraham was Samai. Why do you catch on himself? Listen to who Satan. So feel sorry from saying. Timomo kwa se muntitia o be dia ma kwa nyana ma. Ahomoni mre o mo ho asema. Na munya popular ene o mayenu ye bo udi a eni pa. I will say yes. Obia obrempon ya bo udi. Asema yesu so fun say. Na so mo ni nye. Be very careful about popularity. Nipa kro and only one in all. No one and yeah, master. The spirit of pride no me invite Abraham. Jerry a hunter on Motoma. Now so what year 2. Makatra was a baby baba me dem the demonology kakano what in maybe as how demons operate. Who can study Bible no? E baby a honhomoni bi e be try say wo bo Yesu abaso no. Yesu shut it down. On pa honhomoni abaso. What you say? Honhom say wo say no declare wo ni Yesu no wo do Yankopon wo tini ne ba no. What Yesu say count to the free the movie. E pa ba so ba nya ba yi fon China me pe. What you say? So now so for be to try honhomoni a. Near the microphone akohe nipa na oda famu a wo ka hwen. Near the microphone akohe na no. Na so for pa wo so wo nim die o. E wo sunsun. What you say? Wo the microphone na sina no. no catcher they were that from the same I want money meals of whom is saying now whom no catcher we are cassia pa we are so for pong yame asra won na won nyame ayi ha na so for so won ni mo be no gira hona o ti abasopom o je abasopom ko Acts chapter 16 if you am pomba mum pao Acts chapter 16 come from verse 18 echo Sao Balo used the spirit of divination a common come on deep Paul Numachi a casan with Paul what point is that Sanko Foy and a train and coupon quantia quanu on camp on you I said when you're born in Walker or Traman for say Okuta money or bat or Traman for say Paul and a camp quanjisa and many passacra so there be a new Patago could kill but Paul who said as some are clear but who might catch out the castle and a demon the Paul can then cast his demon off. What are some Americans? One person has a bomb. There's one there, a soft for Ghana. A soft for Ghana. A motor was signing, and then you have a bomb flag on home. Shaman for a yard, sorry. Near home, near Cromwell. What Jack Magic said. What na corner so I get them that's all who knows all your big boss or more papa or hand time to kundako. You are joking with fire. What you say? And then who my mom for baby used to Ghana no. Sa Acts chapter 16 on. What you say? Obado the no matter how come. And it's a Paul no matter how come you kwai. Na so who mo dey kasa answer me papa. The bill can am some YouTube ho. Na so who me kuta omo no. Ha asiefo se maku a. Yes of phobia no so tie no. I'm telling you the part. You are somebody you. Yes of phobia no so tie no. If you could the demonic doctrines. Money church. You are somebody. The doctor, the bill keep the because Yankasamua, you can be going to say. Just somebody can answer. Or can't quite do some say, Paul, where will I try and quite your pile? Acts chapter 16 and 7 American, Kaifi verse 18 echo. We will try and quite your pile. And so Paul was a woman who make us an into a kind of some all right. Or can't the papa said he also a canon. Then so whom will make us an ya come home will make us into Bible so a son come or Casa. Emma, ne mind so for the club of for the D. Or when Emma Lotto numbers. If you should man Lotto numbers, and so we should eliminate on top court. What I wouldn't be a coffee. What I not missing a coupon and could be in Samoa. Now I tell you maybe as why careful. And for a soft for Binua will send you a seeker come home. The type of pastor. Yeah, I will spend you seek out to Tony Amadico channel. You're careful. What else I can answer? Because what the occult will do for true for me. Let's all one, Yamia more down. What the can answer? So free and coupon. No more time and coupon. What I say? Yankupon said, don't tamful. Don't tamful. But will be our time and coupon. That's antichrist form. A de facto form, a treacherous form, a trance and paca form. So what Bonwa, Yanko of 4 down. The King Kahaka Kanjo. 2 Chronicles chapter 19. The Chevadi. She, who can both de facto form? 9.9 Oba we were Maloto numbers, one must uncle for the DE or Mubres. Onam from woman, Onam Yedian Wuni, or some of them was a wonka. Sakarawa de wanka. What I say, Bokonko Abrabonka. They are sorry to pursue Bugumu. They are no any tree any chances. They make us any anima apple. They will go so they must offer us and Yanka. It's a horse and comma. Or your papa. Tanquajessa. What I say, in a good someone can go person. Unca a dear and one non once. Unca, fire before I become to the visa and once. A new person. Yanko Soma or Kanyanko Person, Monsakra Mabin, Amonia Sepani, only free Boneho, Samonsakra, Saron Yanko Person, Eka. Second Chronicles. But also some woman. Minyan to see my 7 years. Because anybody who people are joking with fire. Nipa di je di agro. Ijao. Share. Second Chronicles. Obuwa false prophet bi anyame no me da so. What? To be boss of obi abon ho mpa yansa. Odi obi a na o te so kan nyam semo ana se o te so obo mpa ya o so ye sofo. Di mu obi gina ho o se sofo. Say you careful. Second Chronicles chapter 19. Tie. Was it a Judah a hiri Josaphat? Esane ba ni fi asumdwem. Sabra me ka say no ne ahabonum. Ya omo di abosonsum chi abanyame bufu di omo chi no. Wone omo nenam, wone omo kokko. Josaphat no akofra sa unbelief people, unbelievers. Abosonsum for na wono him Josaphat no. Wone no akofra wo. Na ye fe. De Yehu ehunu ye ka kire. The Second Chronicles chapter 19 verse 2. Was in the Hanani by Yehu. On the headphone. That is on the headphone. The seer. A free Kosia Josaphat. Free Kosia. Was it no catcher or hitting Josaphat to say? 9 FM. Upon it for an assessor. Woman. Now, one hour time and what day? And no. And I will go. That is a false prophet. What we are the convoys of Antichrist. A different truthful. Obu son come na be ye na aba minta obedi ye tonkuto aburamunso no to numbers tata so de be ya wo bedi tata yen ka hem yasam ye obedi de obanu abrochire kro be ware papa aware tata honam preachers asa be ka se nyankopo bi ko ani ho e Yesu o ma obeba nko aba de bi no fu bi keka no sangofo amamfo do musika ebo awon mo papa. They are making a Second Chronicles chapter 19. No me tamuso mako. Who got 2 sika ko bo default truthful. And an evil occultic pastor. Now support him. Wa bra so for konkon. Ya o be bo ama wa nya yisira no. What they call occult pastors. Buma faso mako de ben for asam na mo de hia bi. Was it Hanani by Yehu? Second Chronicles. But also some methods from unity do go. To whom you never drew. Now, Hanani by you. Or the headphone. Every Koshiano. Or culture or him knows about to say. Or body for the suffer. Who know? Now, what I would tell you about them. And I would know. Now, you're in tip. A bufua, a friend who are being a downfall. It's never about the treasure. And I'm some wild court pastors. Now, one more kind of babula, one other kind of also saw almost. Obo prisoner would go. Was soon your hinny, now in person but TM condition, now be a second key. Sanchez to the phone now. What you want to say him, the Shamas on come. What could you be at Tower Reason? And your banner were really at the other Timman soul. As what you are sorry, settle for me sound come. To suffer one sound come on one penation. Timonamon bois aso for phone. Bible say Yankopon bu phone Yankopon no me damoso. What to see obi abuna faso. As what see a monpire man yen sound come on yi. To suban for outing. One guy will yako fa ba for. As one peg this akwa trip. And now per odwuma ma mu atre. To do abu sabi ato asofo em sa asofo mo mpan. Ya sabni yo. Ghana, nema bebre ho ekoso a. Tai. Na bebre be tiam na dako na baso. Aso se mo mpan mo man no. Enye so obi kan ye bebo, nyame asem na kan Timothy manu. Ti ne ye bo mpan mo man na senka. Ye de ani company fo ni bi so pa no a. Ka ye be kan no tu. What you say can say? Because who prayer country and I say when you are sorry me bomb pay di mo man no. Na ko huni ni so ten kwanche ba bi. sika kakra abai na nya ede yem kuntiduma me nyina ya nwisu no hwe ya kwa ya de Ghana na wono won na busua kwabra ni bi tesu no ma di na wo so fo te ba bi ye ho akonchile ma ye fo wutwaku wudi wenu ma chi anka nko no du you are somebody yo what that be na making ho say ye mpota mu ha sei a tomato farmers locality environment from Kwame Nkrumah pension. Kamuga for ye ntosi sama. Ntosi tibi pro na bobo kuafo yi so. Nti ani MPs ni ministers wo ha. Kombe tibi di factory bi ba be simpota mu ba bi. Ye kan tomatoes fra bonten amanode Togo. Kantosi free Cote d'Ivoire. Any countries aka. Afiya mamu ha fo ye bi. Abi e ko hwiegu. What kind of? Most of the leaders are occults. You are saying I can you. But you follow the occults, occultic people, and you almost covenant or more upon until the occult kingdom no air catcher no. I know obey you, and now Nima F1 money who move and no offer and the Yanduma or one Mrase or Princess Rubiase. And to what to say? The idea of a chapel and yet, woman a man who be now so stale. Woman fact, there was a headed to Quamun to Quam, Adentra. A beautiful bondage in Quasumasi. Or Neno. Tell un church yamu, a choir, and yet, any one to see a prop, a honey agony. Said a day of court or cotton. You be fulfill your promises to your occultic kingdom. Any here. If you moja tell you Gana. Who is a moja of your winning on a qua? Massa. What about me going to talk? Baby Baba, the Becky can send you another chance. I will never ask you. With shady Pegu Makuma Copa. What it? A Sababa of you. A Sabby, the Badabi. What the baby Pegu will be cut. I'm going to come out some maybe later. Jesus. To obey you know use the spirit of divination. No esen kom no kasa man enkrofo di. Onam fam nko ayi bi nko na ware ekoso otabrochire ana so otegana ana otekanche bia wo tie mi so na fa asa wagege adam no hoto no odifo bi asa ne nkom ama honam fam ne ho ato no onye ne hebe. Be de hisa ne moyre. Kede ni achi ni tire ho hwena no. Kede ni mu kede mi di. Ka tabe bi asa no. Wonu akasa he obi kunu no otem. O wia o mani sika. Woni suban poni a wotum. Sasa suban de onu obi yaka. Woni sade mo we se niema we ya won ko heaven. Enso di o ni di fu obi a o se ne nkoma ne yi. Te honam famu o se nkoma ma na yi. The spirit of divination no. Asofo nyimati dunsia. Ta ho ho no. Ana Ghana asofo bebre yisu. Ntu ko yi bia ni obetema mo yi. Na heaven ye won ko. Oni atia chowu fi won ho asem ni na hwe nsori a e kan ko gisem no kure mu hwe mo do mo de tin so dem o se bebe ko asori no according to 2 Timothy chapter 3 nkom se ne ba se bere be ko awie ya dipa be ya hopefo je ne dipa ne ko asori no o ko pe no ho de nyam ya hini no o ko pe no ho ntino sabe ya obe yi ntino o ko obenya kum aware ntino o ko obenya eyire aware ntino o ko na juma be yi ntino o ko said obetumpon o abrabom na fe post bi a wo pe no ye be to aba ma no ya mo hwe ta ma mpifo ne ko asori mo hwe ebresu ye be to aba no mo ko show up akoy campaign ye to aba bi wi a woni time bi o tra ne ka bu ro tinta glasses no o e bize no ko ba sa o sia da be so o te parliament ba bi na o bre bi be so no to nyata mo manya me ye be sa be kan yeso o propose no dia ene e wo be wo so yi no ye campaign na me we politician ba o sima so ya se mi na nya so na wo ba so be pen kwaji na be jina ba ji ma fofo akoye campaign ensi ho na ya ma sa kwai ya se mi o pa he ya ko we di post ni na hwe wo nko o ko to bo nsam je man fa so be na o so Super Panyufono be power because what we are target to the Antichrist. Because Antichrist, no, Panyufono, yeah, Revelation chapter 13. I can say any Revelation chapter 6, verse 12 down. Who was a Panyufono, yeah, targeted people. Yeah, Antichrist, are targeted to them. And at this time, most of them are university lectures. And some of your courts. As of for signing their lectures or university. When check it, I'm on compare what I'm on. Bill Johnny Occult. Penny 40 B. I don't Johnny Occult because Antichrist now starting via woman. So there be a new mother content. Almost you could point to best start. From Revelation chapter 6, verse 12 down. Or say him for here to any sika for the phone. What be carry up a boom, trouble be him a boom because Christ are from some mra. That's why they are bosom the baby on Brabia. A baby over the boom on the winter. What could see a boom is a boom. Anyone. Whatever, I'm in commercials. I did say, will tell you to move. Oh, I saw no tea, only as cop. The conquer ni pass on Sacra, but a while had the aircon Nabe Sacra. Sacra on Sacra Consul movie. So that can be a baby, where they have a cop. Don't do what you are, wish you an answer. Them for so be as of Yazaka. Then they come for his amateur. Open one for per day. What I say? Obakoya do Kunfas, why wouldn't say Suban Fin, Suban Bonnie do Kuji? And so still, what they are sorry to see when you saw some super order do who couldn't even Nelson or their son honor or the home sa and what it took. Wouldn't say Yamaka choice. There will be a Kabusu, Ubemo Mose. Rokas who now have this of a gentleman was no maybe a one who sang. The young Sanchania, we are seven. I am coming with some near come. The Peter no come by and looked after 10. So, listen, we didn't take our money. I had say no more to do. We are no more kotokoto. Is more money you will move. I said I couldn't finish up every form. There's still money. As I said, the mother money in say, I trade with you as a woman. A dear one in you who is a dear travel on woman. Now, dear one in you who is a bit pretty master. We could have 50,000 congregations. That's how do I pray? I said that. Anybody why? One can you the personality not who on one who could have 50,000 congregation. Who are the coin? Who subai to say, when you use them to say, and only a cow, the congregation size, the congregational size. To be preaching, be good to preach, and I'm 42. Why are they? But yes, was a man control. Matthew chapter 7, verse 21. No one will say, Rabbi. Deal your bet my boy. Whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Wait my boy, and you get saved. But what's your relationship with you in Christ? You are someone telling you. The unfairly amount for American possible. Did you as what will be on my baby as now? So for brother once you're careful. You're careful. Shall we call you a job? Now you do heaven why? Well, both train and one what the amount so I agree you move aqua pan of coffee. Or Babasu, Metro 25 was a more aqua pa and coffee. The papa no back, the son and no coffee on a back. Papa no back, or conquer and no back, the son will do another twasso. Why you busy here and there? You're quite a way fast on Google. The whole pastor. Udia Adu, whom on your bro. Look at how you are treating your wife. Now, more. But I'm from Saka. Why? What's the woman in you, sir? What's wrong with you? As some woman. With different Tonya Maso. With different protection baho. With different two beer. With different you say you go to Kumu. About talk and come woman. 2 1. Why? And woman will in ye. Na the mitimi ye the sika nanya me na be a story na man dying me na me boss, me na me coordinator, na me the regional master, forget them.
99.9 FM.
You need regional see a our heaven. The matter in for near more heaven. What you say? So you are there careful. It deceive posts and corporations. It deceive many. Tell them fire has no friend. They just near them for. So you go for training job konya with him will be the only no yatin ni. The only no yatin ni. Yet you to preach here. Yet you to qualify. The only no yatin ni. Simple. Hebrews 12:14. Kunku ye ni ma obi ntini hu na ko. Obi no wanfa odi anso. Obi said the title to be without holiness no one, no man shall see the Lord. They are careful. They journey adam fo. Una wo soldier no, una wo breja no ho, una wo force na wo soldier. Na so do say wo kampamba no na abetie no na kokko no. Na say wo di jam ye de wo de be ye no, ya fa nsa himu. Si jare be kan kire wo say wo na wo saw me nti, wo de I spare your hand. Wo na wo saw me, wo na bre me nti wo nsa me nhye. Na mo obi amini na me hye de, ya try be na ga. Fire has no friend, and God is a consuming fire. What you say? So God is love now, or sign fire. That come back to us. Maybe we are both free ban. So one is also to free ban. What you say? Assassin, I do some in by anybody. Here two gold. So I see, it's just all the two sides of God. That come back to us. Nyame yodo so tell your mam nyame do no odi hu mo bo o say o tell your mam wa tu say boni e wudi nyame nku wan kata tu say wudi boni ankasa oba da ko tu fa mema me nsa ukone o ya fawo ukone o ya fawo ukone o ya fawo wa sa be da uku na chi na di nduro bi ase ye wo ho ase da bi uku mu hu say bibi sa akokọ nkoso sikanti no ja woni padu e ton no sa be da uku na chi boko o say still ano nyame sai o ma mframa ho what you say? When I'm sorry, me see Adum na Adum. That's it. Adum ni Yesu we hu adwuma wa send ya so. Nti Adum foforo bi ani adi ndie. What you say ma yakana se? Na ko poni Israel for na ntesra so. Ko si Malaki. Na Malaki from Matthew gospel no ko si John. Yesu na ni pa benante. Yesu ko no se onkonko beba. Na onkonko so ba e no ni penante. So we are in the Holy Spirit era. Holy Ghost era. Any woman. On conclude the Juma, we are Adom no Twitter. The Bia Yaguma being this award will need to read the pictures. That is the type of Antichrist. To after the Holy Spirit, on the Trinity, I saw about on Concoma, where in the cattle. See the Yana Paul Taco said, Nani Adombre, then on Quajenda. On conclude, you must say, but that's the coming of the Antichrist. Yamifu will be any home ability for me. Yakaya so training with us. This is the second coming of Christ. No Babaji is rightful because of the covenant of Abraham. The war. It was Genesis chapter 15. What does my heaven answer? The master be very careful this time. Adum no Adum now temperature. Oh Adum Yamedi or the Adum and the Bejian or the Ebony or the Adum the Adum can never Mojuma. Adum no Yanya Mojuma. From Genesis chapter 6, verse 8. I didn't go for some catching Noah said, Noah de Onyango Pony Muatom. Genesis 6, 17. Osaka said, for our Yadaka. Genesis 6, verse 14 to 17. When you are done with verse 8, you Genesis 6, 8. When you are done, there's no other one way Yadaka. Adaka 18 fashion in a year. Adaka 18 for Pranko in a year. A Chabuan a year. A farm 1 you suffer 80 count. The whole world, look at the size of the ark of Noah. So the change on you or pioneer feelings. So why are you here? I did here. Oh, the Bunya, you would think no Saswa, no the one. I don't know all. So they said they all suffer. Well, fighting I am in Pajia Mojuma. Now, don't have one eminent to be a backer. You see the point? It's a Jamanum catch up with Adam, because of trade Jamanum. Who be welcome to Saudi for Sakra. What chapter said about glass he could tell him, sir, is Abdomina, the Abdomina, or the I don't know a real Webima. Jacassa will be Sakra. The use was a Monsakra movie. Monsakra, Mark 1:14-15. Mon sakra. Wan kasa adom no wo ntimo ndim nam na monna. Na mo mo adwama nyinsem yindum. Na mo nyi pickups, mo ni mo penti nya de mo amopɛ. Mo nkofa nwi bro nsam nwi ni bi okot hair no. Indian hair no a pa ye gu abonte amanfo tonton no. Mo ye mobɔ sɛ mama bi abie trimi bi ano abonsam ne ma tonton no. Wodi ne ma bi hu abakɔsam an kɔ ho. Sha wodi mu ntisa wodi ba bi asa enimi no efiri ba ka oba paaw ka wontam tibi ta na wo ye me mobɔ papa mi o mi kan tram so ye Christian wa bra o de sa ne ma bi agugu ntiri so da en kan tram sa o Kristo ni bi anya sa ne na ya ko 1 Peter chapter 3 was it sa tete no e ma konkon for the se wo mo anya ne mesa wo ene sika se gold no sa e mo no ene sa ntade a akasi kukuku ne ya nyamantam no sa ma konkon for na ndresse sa ako before man the dresses sa Jezebel asef for the dresses sa 2 Kings chapter 9 verse 22 ekosi 30 Jezebel asef for na Yesu man warning from Revelation chapter 2 verse 18 on ana ayesa ne na ma kon sa mere ne hana Ruth Esther sa ko before dress on for being canonda. I'm telling you tell yourself a Christian. Because some make us only you aswa. So who feel who Christian? What papa? Your research, if you babu no question. Na da ko me head up awurade boam ya. Me kukom the quotations are trouble sir. Say you na moto from occult. Na mo be mo papa da mu wachi. Asama do jan back trouble mu nya ba dia mbedwan yafa. Luke chapter 12 verse 7. Was you three in Poakai? Into a kind of a back on no qua, no country and go was every now the announcement, number 2 week crown. Why? No one show maybe I'm a go. Only nonsense in Yamio. You're careful. But we are who to sell, not some Kongman. And Kongman wants some the egg, yet you to me. No one say, we are dear rabbit. The moment we made also an appellee. What I say? Go 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 3 corner. Verse 7. Was you really the Unyanko Pompe, Mahotie, Nahotie, the Unyanko Pompe, Mahotie. What I say, my cannot say. I come over one train, come on. When the Unyanko Pompe. Now, me to me, young saints, and me to me, some come to me to 2 bay, to me to 2 hour money for a young colasam. Well, Yame, did he also say, I know the other money you own. Money is some money at Modia Tower heaven. Let me cast the demon off. Me Casa said no mutitigu. Me Yemen says, I don't know how I do. Let me take you to bay. There's a move free me so called Mamma, the internet. Oh, yet the internet, so me to 2 bay. Oh, yet the internet, so say me Kenyan son. Popularity, gained. Rabeba. Busa was a fan of the outre. That's why I cannot say. If I know the outre. I said, what you? O come on, some Jack wants him say. Not one was young woman question me do it. Oh, and then a crack. Oh, and then I'm in 1 Corinthians. There's all telling you maybe as a power. I broke out the heaven and call you school. Have a call, and a Bible Shiano, and you will be a walk school and go actually in Bible. Oh, Bobo Papa. Tia. Oh, say time, what do you invest as an time airco level 200? What I say? When we are seeing the 99. There's one called heaven. So, what do you mean? We are seeing answers something new and coupon. What I say? O kambo nsam gya ho asaba bi no de neme bi compare e bi no de neme bi analysis bi ene we be try wade bi ansa na maponko ti ha. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 21 o se na wi ase amfa nyansa so anhunu Onyankopon ti asem yi wi ase amfa nyansa so anhunu Onyankopon amfa nyansa so anhunu Onyankopon. Oh, Yankopon Yansamundi. As old Yankopon said, or Nama Asanka, non quasi Assamson. ebedi wona ogidie no enkwa wiase amfa nyansa so ehuru nyankopon nyankopon so ye na dwere se obefa asem kan nkwase asem chi die kasase abakasa nkwase asem ye keka because all university of degree because I'm nyakwa we no the phone some for the career oh yes I am kwase asem ya ma because wo ye ntia 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 18 was na asem ya no ho asem no I am kwase asem e ma wona wo yira te sa ampi bi di matam minister bi kasa tie nyame asem ya ka president bi head of state bi kasa tie nyame asem ya ka sa so for bi so on person ya ka no oburu nkwase asem a won kan chance wo yira ntia oba shine that no ye so nyansa opu nyame asem ya ka no ya bia gospel ya preach to on come to Christ, repent, take Christ as your personal Lord and Savior and escape the hellfire. We say one peg gospel here. When they keep on with your wisdom and buy your certificates, you are going to die to hellfire one day. And do some of the war. Isaiah chapter 14, verse 9 to 11. Was a some of the war said the kind of will be sober. The better men some of be bramo. No matter cultural sent to also will you say any apple into presidentship will be the serial appointments. What's what here what he and would do beyond the corruption. Near Kong Nana Kunini Wabudi into Okonko Samno. A some of the other people. Bible so Katanin so. Na baby abeda itiafi mu muaso asu nyansa wate nkan kwashi asam se asam ya kan yen kwashi asam ade mawo Bible say yen kwashi asam de mo ya 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 18 the reason afa nyansa so ehu nyankopon until you come based on computers to know God what asam ya kan say your computer knowledge if I don't jakra. Forget that because you can never know Christ. And for the technology, who you should die. What does American? Now, I'm a Christopher, I know me and Mobo. What I say? And that technology may be about a good disarmer because through technology, no, Yamia Samuel, the Sandia Pasako, the whole world. Maybe you see Nelson. This you see Jimmy. I'm in trouble. Mark chapter 3. Mark was a pretty years. Yes, I mean, quotation with the more and can be. That's how we have a cousin to do at it. Not to give them to do. There are some kind of make a show. What does it? The Mark chapter 3 may tell you. And the Christopher will be I am a bona, a bomb babu, or a bomb babu. Mark chapter 3, number 31. Was it Anna? Enemy alone bed in a future. As some are called in chain. Just a new. Or catch them, say. Or call in chain. Call friend of. Yes, you know, baby preach you. None of my many million may be generated more friend. There's a 1 year preaching. 1 year in your mere panel. No man, I will for a penny a woman. You had the issue. Almost friend. Was in a Confukolo at a take. Never. Now was it or say, share. One on the William every day, if you choose. 33. Now, we are almost saying, one enemy now, enemy alone. Yes, the Busa Sao was no training. Every one or to tell who I saw them, let's shut. Share who she I am, or so I can't say, share. Men are enemy alone, any. Now, be our payo, be on your coupon, a penal. Or no enemy Berema, enemy Yamba, enemy now. I mean, so I mean, doesn't be when you have to come out in this. I will have to you. Oh, Eddie Yamepe, oh, can you miasem, oh, Bompire, oh, my Messofrel, a wood in Abaco. It's how I get your basic technology so. We are some finance and some William coupon. Now, and then. Obi bompayo Kristo di bi wo ba bi bompaye na ni phone ebele woni oye nyame apede wo bo heaven eprum na ne ma me e wo phone no so de boys was stop prayer no na ko pick call no ana Yesu kan wa kire wo what I say they say Yesu respond to me ma me call wa bra wo ye nyame nyankopon apede no Yes, Unqua. Would the old Bombay? Who can you miasam? Who are you in your mepe? Your phone call will be disabled. Then you stop what the will of God and you attend to your phone. What's the point I make as well as? What is the television? Yeah, Bob also. Do you need time for the gospel? Yes, I'm finding answers on William. TV. Kids will need to TV who's our need time for Bible. And you are born. Or spend hours over the phone or chat or tweet. Na or call. No browser. Hours. But we never know the telephone. The TV show. No, okay. Programs. Other programs also invented so many things. And you are corners that they are attractive. Because the TV on a mobile phone, but be very careful the way you relate technology to the will of God. Kasachro say yamiakwa, what you say mekanas. He said be when you are remembering Salmon Yama, when someone use you, and you wear Christopher, and you come on something. To be a bomb babu. We need time. They say Delilah be better Samson. Emma Samson and Timmy and Yamia Pedia. And then Delilah near no mobile phone. What you say make a wrong? And then Delilah near no TV. Delilah pay your business. Well, you can't do the will of God. Now Bible say, yes, you see million no mena, any million no any woman in Yamia Pedia. What's what you meant to need time for God? We are never true. When you time the American Swat, when you time was some other song. We are some finance on who young couple. Now, Chief, young couple know what happened, Breloso. Maybe no what time, school need to go no other. Technology, GG4, meteorologists, physiologists, GG4 would be in the corner. So the new Gomora, GG4 would be in the corner. We are some finance on who young couple. To win up or something. We never have. I tell you, we are young couple, Lubu, Kujimu. Normally, a woman answer, you go school and Punyame. Maybe I'm a Takas education doesn't give wisdom, and my knowledge will never be okay. And many answer. Because all the course will be able to some Jimia. Then also find me after the NT. School outcome winning dear, one was what they are, dear beer, and my war. So the new Gomora for him, dear. Or more than dear, so near this Sabbath fee. Trying for the organ, get dominant for good one. Nancy could tell me that the Yabos on the Sicilian fee. Some of them cannot talk picking your baby. Upon all the wish of a good time, look at them. Sabbath fee. Now, so no more yes, and young couple, you so quiet. Emma Nacola, Jeroboam, the better him. What does American say? Sahini yenu wodi bu ba ko pe ene ma Rehoboam Solomon ba wodi emu duba esoma Rehoboam na kola Solomon akola o sa yen fune kunyame ani ma wiase ne Ezekiel no David ma hini ni bi na ekoso na yo o mo de nyame ani mu nyam na ewu ko nyan ene o Kristo ne wuntimi nya o hino what does John chapter 6 verse 15 verse 14 and 15 Yesu hu ne se be fa na kosi hini no wo twe no Kwahi Konyano, a consider in a Brabacom, in a Begunsa. Now, can't for evil spirits. To Noah, Brasono. The James has a number as a movie. I mean, Charlotte. I'm a Kakari count. But let me pull for the between the Yes, I'm finance and so William Cooper. Or just a man can answer. You may not know God. From the educational level, how good are who's so young? No question. Once I came from Papa, you notice our power. Don't say one Kolawiase. Kolawiase, not one. Oh, thank God. And so, upon all the learning certificates upon certificates. I mean, that will be able to make up. Because you buy the woo, because you have the as well. Compared to four, Judge Mensako. What I say? President Milson to me, go find a certificate for and go say, as some are doing some. I was once a Ghanaian president, what? Bakasa, yes. My book Ghana mine. I was a commander in chief. He certificate. One from Quachara Bonsam. Say, Yamia Moana say, yeah, heaven. So some years you could or heaven. So I'm some years you could or the hell. Until the certificates when you know what's about Asamado and Zanavo. So the pumping and good key. For when women see no never good time, the Emra Yusu. Don't have your car, yes, Quasam. Education deals with facts. But Christianity, to make heaven, it deals with faith. Gideon, you would have the mere facts. The person who answer. The person who answers. You are comma, near his original blue akuma. Nipa and 5 years in answer on Nipa, 1 Corinthians 1, verse 21. The 1 5 years in answer and Yakob. Now, no other come here. Genesis chapter 6, but let me catch them. Yakob was no of our Adaka. And it is really a baby. Fine. 1. They entail the word rain. From Genesis chapter 1 to Genesis chapter 6, they entail rain. Ensure to say ensure to free sober. Now ensure effort no more that ending true. Until we are not fast as na neema no be bia no ne ade na ase ekos tina aso a ensure to free home. Ntinka meteorologists for the class aka say Noah is a liar because was it rain? There is no rain in the Bible. There is no rain in the dictionary. Yenji rain da. I must see rain. Nti nsam na ho kan oboa. Saa de be ka se bon sam ja mekin. Se dem ko poko tuni pa bi egum no. Obaka se nkwasha sam na be ka. Because pa se nya me ko tuni pa guji. Nipa ye wura. Nya me be dan nipa ni bi wura that. Wo de mi sua ko me be ni wo mu abekere wa. Tina kama fo be ka sa no wa da wo no oboa. Meteorologists for be ba. Meteorologists oba mo hwe mu sakrae. O me ba be ka se Noah oboa ko ntompo no uja. Obi amfi no according to when research according to physiology guru sa okay cancer hu sa go no dey proof what chance say mission tonda e hu sa word ni bi da so for be british rapture eni wiase mu say wa bo papa ti wiase man for the two ya say rapture ni because on hu bi o Bible Yaka Genesis chapter 5 verse 24. Ose lokunu Nyankopon enante otu yirai. Elijah so etu yirai. Yesu na nkasa so Acts chapter 1 verse 9 to 11 otu yirai. Enti uko 1 Corinthians 15 verse 50 no so e kono a. Ose ntem so to them to shemu oni be bo atra the twinkle of an eye. Na after the name for 1 Thessalonians chapter 4 verse 13 to 18 was so better. Rapture go ko share wadi wo wi so for be say ya wi asema for tiritum o say rapture ni wo wa bon se ku ti asami yo ka me proof ade bi a chawo wo bi o Bible wo o say Paul 1 Corinthians chapter 51 verse 51 and 51 52 o say they come with intercession so it's a mystery when you research in coin ni wo da rapture this. That's Matthew 24 kai ebesi verse 42 o se nipa mienu dam empa so be fa ba ko no ja ba ko enko de ba ko no kwai de ba ko so aka hazo ja na ko e wa ko shewu ade wo wi according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 4 verse 13 down nipa bia ya enti no a person ko mbaka se o no according to meteorology physiology ya ti se nsi otoda no ma prove no are wrong fine they talk to was it for our Yamaka? Did you about it? I mean, proof no one, maybe you see her. For our Yamaka. It's the command for the technology, wood technology for the back. According to wood technology, physiology, chorology, Gigi try to say, Wawa stay about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it was your Wawa born, ever say, ever poor, until no one is wrong. I'm going to be a fine. Wawa born, naturally, no more proof for you. Me trust we are some finance so hunu Nyankopon. What you say? Nyankopon ni nim dia no be fa san kwasha sam ye kekan. Asem ya no so wo Yesu be wuya. Wo be fa san kwasha sam ye kekan ma wayira. Wamfa ntiasem ya no so nsama sam baka ye kan. Na kwasha sam na ji obi. Tiasem yo. Enti wawa board na chi no. Enka man for beka say okay. What apart from the wawa board and apart from the rain. Fine. Let's check from technology. Wawa bako ebesi wawa bako ni nti gabo nantamu ya tokro benda ho And according to the free movement of the water molecules, the physiologists can prove that. The chemistry one, and so no free movement of molecules, and so there be a joint, one born about what they see one born about. In the area, and so I'm a Noah, insurance, Quebec and Mama, that can I say, according to the Ohm's law and the ecological law and the density. Shape of a senke, but I'm sure no more prove no one. You don't just make an answer. I feel comment prove no one wrong. What would the name be? The prove no one wrong. According to one way, did you know? I'm going to be Jimmy more. Why is that? It was in the palm 5 years in answer. And who would Yankopo? Massa, but from Yankopo say, over 2 liters with him. According to 2 Peter chapter 3, was over 2 liters with him. Region can call candidates for hell, can be cosona. Sabrina saw me this year. No, I may have more. Now to Sunday, what will qualify for hellfire? You don't be good. Try as a chef for the call. What I say, one sacred call. A decent material Lubako, Tijamun Motel, was it one more, or we at Tiwadi. Now call the tournament 22.5 or so. Was it Tiwadi for the Bill? Until make up for the call, almost bleachy, almost saying it's been eaten. Omekwakwa for the call. A 2-2 for the call. Obama Jim Kofukum or 4 years on the call. Obama Book or 4 fast by 4. Okot. I was on so for. You are much take a boss, almost the call. I come for any upon Kohe, almost a cry. And to welcome Sap Bonia who woman to my body in Ayaka. Sap for you now, have come with some more. Till your body will use to be one of the million for Yansa. I know we are born in your name for you. Now is a cry. How fire training pedom. Yes, short training him or penny part of Mako heaven. Mammy, according to your own wisdom, make your choice. You open. Rather than I was saying. So I would not call them to me no home, one boy. Not doing some of this are mine. Rather than so many panyans, only panya. Rather than show your penny is what served. Miss Roddy, oh, Manana and Chawati. We are some finance and so whom we don't go on. Why you should pass over we are so. Then we are Sassama. By whom be my back. Gentlemen, tell me I seem to fool near my. When I can walk, what did Jabez say we are saying? I saw. And to see the Panyan and Brian Switchen, Yanka born in Chel, Yan home through, near Nanin through, near fire, Sakran Yatempa, near sometimes on Metsayakum, near Chel through Bonibiao. Yes, I sent pass on the Papanco, the Nantu was said. When you are the house here, I will betray. But I was so timid, it will use Timonti. Amen.
Me shall do some. And I'm going to say, Saba be a nipper to nipper go. Wrong.
Yeah.
It was all you said. The war Christ, no. What the answer say? Was it? Some people say,
you may now subscribe.